this technique I'm going to show you a technical effect you can use. It's a really fast way of playing the same note several times. Some of you might be used to doing this with two hands, but then you can't play anything else. If you do it this way with your thumb and your index finger, you can do it quite fast if you practice. So the basic technique, you start on your thumb, then hit it with your second finger, and then your thumb. You can do it. Start with just like 3 notes. And the main difference is you have to hit it quite percussively, so you have to hit it hard enough so that the key goes down, hits the bottom and bounces back up. I don't think it's really possible to do it if you're trying to play quietly. It doesn't really bounce back. You have to sort of hit it quite hard each time with each one. I can't do it that fast, but some people can do it really fast, so if you practice and if it's something you want to learn, you certainly get it really sounding good. I tend to just use it on about 3 notes, so autumn leaves. So as always, start by practicing slowly. Then gradually speed it up. That's the basic technique. Trick is just to hit it quite hard so it bounces off the bottom, and yeah, just give it some practice. This is Julian Bradley, thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate if you just give me a thumbs up or leave a comment below the video. For more tutorials like this one, check out my YouTube channel, it's full of them. I've also just finished filming a whole new batch of tutorials, so feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot guys, see you soon.